Welcome to our video on 10 tools and resources for web designers to find inspiration for visually engaging and compelling website designs. As a web designer, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in design. In this video, we'll share some of the best tools and resources available to help you find inspiration and improve your web design skills. Tool number 1. Dribbble. Dribbble is a popular online community for designers to showcase their work and get feedback from others. It's a great place to find inspiration for website designs, as well as to connect with other designers and share your own work. Tool number 2. Behance. Behance is another online community for designers, owned by Adobe. It features a wide range of creative work, including website designs, and allows you to follow other designers to see their latest projects. Tool number 3. Awards. Awards is a website that recognizes and awards the best web design projects from around the world. You can browse their gallery to see the latest trends and find inspiration for your own designs. Tool number 4. Site Inspire. Site Inspire is a curated gallery of beautiful website designs, organized by category and style. It's a great place to find inspiration for specific types of websites, such as e-commerce or portfolios. Tool number 5. Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual search engine that can be used to find inspiration for pretty much anything, including website designs. You can create your own boards and save designs that you like for future reference. Tool number 6. Web Design Inspiration. Web Design Inspiration is a website that showcases the latest and greatest website designs from around the world. You can browse by industry, style, and color to find designs that match your needs. Tool number 7. Designspiration. Designspiration is a website that curates the best design work from around the web, including website designs. You can search by keyword or browse by category to find inspiration for your own projects. Tool number 8. Creative Market. Creative Market is a marketplace for design assets, including website templates and themes. You can browse their selection to find designs that match your needs, or use them as a starting point for your own designs. Tool number 9. Smashing Magazine. Smashing Magazine is a popular design blog that covers a wide range of topics, including web design. They often feature articles and tutorials that can help you improve your design skills and stay up to date with the latest trends. Tool number 10. Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that offers templates and design tools for a wide range of projects, including website designs. You can use their templates to create mock-ups or design elements for your own projects. There you have it, our top 10 tools and resources for finding inspiration and improving your web design skills. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, these resources can help you create visually engaging and compelling website designs that stand out from the crowd. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.